Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you some fall decorating in my bedroom and my bathroom. So I'm going to take you along with me as I add some fall touches to just bring some warm and cozy romance to my bedroom and my bathroom. I haven't gone crazy yet in those rooms, but we are going crazy on my channel for fall decorating, you guys. I am having so much fun with you all. We are on episode 9 of my I Love Fall series. We are doing a ton of DIYs, super easy, boutique friendly, gorgeous items on a budget, of course. I just love to make my home beautiful, but I want to make it cost friendly as well. So without further ado, let's get into this fall decorating. I'm also going to share with you guys a couple of pampering ideas and ways to tidy up your home to make your home nice and tidy and cozy. So let's get to it. Okay, you guys, my cozy outfit for the day are these super comfy leggings, this lace top underneath, and just a button-down shirt and my slipper shoes. Totally going comfy for this. And then if I were to run and go pick up the kids or go shopping, I'm just going to add a scarf to keep me warm and also my fall boots that I absolutely love, you guys. I love scarves and boots for fall. So cozy and super comfy. Now, I just want to tidy up my room. I'm going to start out with making my bed, and then I'm going to clean my surfaces before I put out any of my fall decor. So once I get my bed all fluffed up and made, I want to go in with my Method Glass surface cleaner. I love the surface cleaner in the mint. I use this for all of my mirrors and all of my glass, and this picture is so near and dear to my heart. I just love it. My husband found it at a flea market. It's actually an antique marriage certificate. He painted the frame and gave it to me for our anniversary. I thought that was so sweet. And now, you guys, I am so hooked on the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface scent. I'm going to use this on both my bedside tables and also on my little beauty table over there. So I just want to get this area nice and clean. And I don't know if you guys noticed on my hand I had written a note to pick something up. Do you guys do that? Do you guys comment and let me know if I'm the only person that forgets things and then ends up writing things down on their hand. So I'm just using that DIY Dollar Tree pumpkin that we made a couple episodes back. I'll link that down below, you guys. I thought it turned out so cute, and it only cost $2. And now I'm just going to clean my little beauty table. This is actually an antique Hoosier cabinet that I just went in and painted white, and I love this rose picture. I thought it would be great for fall because it kind of has some warmer colors, and it's going to tie in also some of those big beautiful roses that are on this bedding. And then I just thought to bring in some fall vibes. I wanted to set some pictures out of my kids when they were babies, and I love this one of my son. It got taken during the fall time, and they're all so little here. It just makes me reminisce and so excited for time with family. So I just love the way candles give you that warm, fuzzy, cozy feeling, and the pumpkin cupcake candle from Bath and Body Works is by far my favorite candle this year. I have one for every room. I know that's crazy, but it just smells so delicious. Here's my little beauty space. I added in these beautiful pictures of my kiddos. It just makes me reminisce and feel so excited for the holidays. And my little chalk painted pumpkin, I did that as a DIY in my first fall DIY episode 1 of my I Love Fall series. And there's my glammy pumpkin over there. And then here is my little reminder just to be grateful and thankful and that glammy pumpkin was so over the top, but I think it came out so cute. I'm definitely going to do a DIY for you guys on that one. And then I just added in some of my favorite scents. I love the Winter Candy Apple by Bath and Body, and some of my perfumes. That's actually from the luxury scent box, which is a really neat, it's like a perfume subscription box. And there's one of the florals that I made. And also, here are some of the magazines that I've had my work featured in. It's just a reminder for me. I set them right here in this little space because it just helps me remember to keep going and stay true to what I do and what I love. So here is my cozy fall bedroom. I have my pumpkin cupcake. It smells delicious like pumpkin cupcakes in my room. My sweet little cozy velvet pumpkin that I DIY'd. I'm going to leave that in the link below. And I love adding little heart pillows to my bedroom. I feel like it feels so cozy and so romantic. And this big, beautiful, bold reds I think is just such a statement piece, especially for fall and the holidays around the corner. And then I use those little cute chalk painted pumpkins, and we chalk painted pumpkins, I believe, in the first episode of my I Love Fall series, so I just think it's time to jump in bed and watch a cozy fall movie. So also I want to share with you guys, I love wine color nail polish during the fall time. This was one I got in my Ipsy bag. I'll try to find the color on it, but it's such a tradition for me to always keep my toenails painted a wine color. And now I want to share with you guys a DIY. So this is a DIY for your makeup brushes. You guys, mine are really bad. So you're just going to get a cup of water and heat it up in the microwave. I put mine in for about a minute or so. And then I'm going to go in with some dish soap. You want to use a tablespoon of dish soap. You can use any dish soap, but I used my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider because I just got it in yesterday and I love it. And I'm going to pour half a cup of water into this Dollar Tree cup, and then I'm going to do a tablespoon of dish soap and a tablespoon of vinegar, and I'm going to mix that up really well. Then once I have it mixed, I'm going to put all my brushes in there and leave them in there for about 20 minutes, you guys. You want to leave them in there, and that way all that makeup and junk is going to run out. And then after the 20 minutes is over, I just like to take a comb and brush the makeup and junk out. And then I run it under warm water, and I just kind of squeeze the end of my makeup brush until I see that it's nice and clean. And then I'll take a washcloth and kind of squeeze some more of that water out, and then I just lay them flat to dry. And you can also kind of shape your makeup brushes after you're done cleaning them. That way they're in the right shape that they're supposed to be in. And so I just did this with all of my makeup brushes. It felt so good. I know this isn't probably like really a pampering thing, but I feel like it's kind of pampering to get things clean. Comment and let me know what you guys think. Anyway, so yeah. So I actually got these makeup brushes. They were a gift from my husband from the SL Miss Glam line. She has beautiful, glamorous brushes. It was quite a treat, and he definitely spoiled me on that one. But I've also seen white-handled and pink makeup brushes at the Dollar Tree here and there. So here they are, nice and sparkling clean. I just love it. And so the next thing I like to do for a seasonal change for fall, I'm going to use my apple cider Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in my bathroom. I also changed it out in the boys' bathroom, and that just gives it kind of that fall feeling. And I have a lot of guests in my home for the fall, and so I like to make up this little dish full of fresh washcloths and lotions, and then a nice spray, and that way they have some things that they may need. Of course, I could not resist adding a pink sparkly pumpkin to this bathroom, and this glammy kind of gold one that I got from the Dollar Tree. The pink pumpkin we DIY'd a couple videos back. Now I'm just going to add in some of those Dollar Tree mums and some big large pink roses. I think these soft cream colors look really nice and really cozy for fall, and they're going to bring in kind of the brown tone that you see in my hand soap and just kind of give it just a nice cozy feeling in here. And I love having that kind of fresh floral look, even though we don't have to keep up the maintenance on this with these fake flowers. So to get a beauty glam touch for fall, I love using a wine colored lipstick and then some wine colored kind of bronzer. With the darker lipstick, it is nice to go in with a little bit more cheek color, I think. And I'm just touching up my toenails. I love this wine colored toenail polish. I talked to you guys about it earlier, but I just can't get enough of it. And I love how the gel nail polish stays on really well. So here is my bathroom all decorated for fall. What do you guys think? Comment and let me know. I just love this pink candle and the little pink pumpkin. It just adds a little fall touch, and I think these mums are so beautiful. They bring that fall feeling in without having to go overboard, and I just thought it came out so sweet and so adorable. And last but not least, we cannot forget my favorite fall treat. I love candy corn. So delish. So what did you guys think about some of these fall decorating ideas for those smaller spaces like your bathroom and your bedroom? Comment and let me know what your favorite idea was, and also what is your favorite thing to do to kind of pamper yourself, whether that be like a cozy drink or fixing your nail polish or maybe your lipstick or maybe doing something nice for a friend. Just all of those things are just some warm and cozy ways to get ready for the holidays. So I just want to thank you all so much. Y'all have been amazing. I read all of your comments and it just touches my heart how wonderful and kind and loving everyone is. I'm just so thankful. So if you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell for updates, and we are going to catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.